The view outside the window. Snowstorm. Snowstorm in Niagara Falls. Look in the deck. Look. The snow is what? Until my knees, right? The snow is more than the knees, almost to the legs. Look at that, and it was very windy, guys. While ago, at least, it's not snowing yet. While ago, you can see the falls, but now look what's happening outside now. It's too scary. There's the lights there outside. I can't really see because of the glass. It's windy. If I bring my iPad, Richard, do you think my iPad will blown by the wind?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, I open the door. Open natin, guys. Nasa hotel na kami. Oh, it cannot open no more.
I put the stick there.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
And,
Let it go down.
tingnan nyo guys, ha? Look! Watch! Snowstorm is scary. Hopefully it will stop tomorrow. So that we can enjoy. And it's windy. Wow, you can see nothing. Ah. Now I cannot put it back. Stay that way.
Put the stick there.